Hello, how are you today? Ciamar hashiv and you. How are you today? Ciamar hashiv and you. We're going to practice some phrases today, some little sentences. Let's begin. Hami agol coffee. Hami agol coffee. Hami agol coffee. I'm drinking coffee. Try to say after me. Hamiagol coffee. Hamiagol coffee. Hamiagol coffee. Say it. Very good. Very good. Let's try it with a glass now. Hamiagol uisge. Hamiagol uisge. Hamiagol. I'm drinking. Uisge is water. Say it. Very good. Hamiagol coffee. Hamiagol uisge, water. And that's where the word whiskey comes from in English. Not quite the same. It's an anglicized version and, well, a much more dangerous drink. Okay, so hamiagol coffee, hamiagol uisge, water. Let's try something else. Ha coffee Agam. I have a coffee. Ha coffee Agam. Ha uisge Agam. I have a water. Or I have water. Ha uisge Agam. Agam means at me. And that's how we say in Gaelic, I have something. I have a coffee. Ha coffee Agam. Ha uisge Agam. Water is at me. Notice the actual sentence is coffee at me? Is water at me? It's not a question, it's how we use possession. I'm going to say them one more time. Try to say it after me. Ha coffee Agam. Ha uisge Agam. Coffee is at me. Water is at me. That's the literal translation. But what does it mean? Well, it means I have a coffee and I have water. Let's try again. Okay? So, ha coffee Agam. Say it. Ha uisge Agam. Say it. Very good. Now we're going to put the words all together. We're going to join the two things with the word and, which is agus. Okay. And we're going to make long sentences. Okay. And I want you to say them. Hami agol coffee, agus hami agol uisge. Say it. Very good. Very good. Hami agol coffee, agus uisge. The two things. Ha coffee Agam agus ha uisge Agam. Say it. Very good. You're doing very well there. So keep up the good work. Chiri and Drazda.